Hey guys, in this video I'll be sharing some tips on how you can up your Instagram game. First up, background fill. I've seen some people take a photo of a plain background and use that as the background, but it doesn't look neat. If you select this icon here and pick a colour, you can literally just press and hold to fill. There are a selection of colours if you swipe across, but you can expose even more colours by pressing and holding onto one like this. Next, let's talk about text. There are 5 font styles to choose from: typewriter, strong, classic, modern and neon. You can add a rectangular box background behind the typewriter and strong ones, and again choose whatever colour you want. When it comes to positioning, the story editor provides some guidance. You'll see both vertical and horizontal lines appear as you move your photo or text element. You should try and utilise these because I've seen a lot of posts where text is at the very bottom or at the very top. Bear in mind that the send message box sits at the bottom, and of course your profile photo and name appears in the top left hand corner. And you don't really want that overlaid, so it's best to use the margins to keep the bottom and the top free. It just looks neater. If you decide to rotate some text but then change your mind, the editor can help you get your text straight again. You'll see some yellow dotted lines when doing it horizontally or vertically. This applies to images too. Right, onto the colour picker. Let's pick a photo and then add some text. On the far left is the colour picker icon. Click on that and then choose anywhere in your photo where you want to extract the colour. Colour coordination for the win. I also find it handy when screenshotting and sharing my YouTube channel page. When you add text on top, it just looks messy. So you can use the colour picker to select the background and you can then colour over some content to get rid of it. How much neater does that look? If you're going to post something on your feed, you may as well let people know on your story. Instead of sharing the exact same post, you can share a sneak preview instead. Hit the edit icon, then select the highlighter and pick your colour. I think white looks good, so I'll go with that. And there you go. There's not really much point in sharing the actual photo because you want people to go check out your feed. But there's nothing wrong with that. You can actually share directly from your feed instead of adding the photo from your camera roll. Just go to the post, tap the share icon and click add post to your story. You'll notice it adds a cool gradient-like background with colours that match your image perfectly. Nice. Your username will also appear underneath. If you want a preview of the caption to appear, just tap the image and there you have it. It looks super clean. The advantage of sharing directly from your feed is that users can tap the image and get a link to the post itself. Handy. And on to the last tip. If you want your stories to stand out, maybe try using templates. Over is a really good app for that as it has a bunch of really nice free templates you can use, like this one. Simply tap any photo to replace it with your own. Edit the text and change the colour, font type and size to whatever works for you. Easy. I hope these tips helped. Be sure to subscribe for more tech content and thanks for watching.